Well, my dear children, one more problem on trigonometric identity. You are required to prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Good. Good. Now, here the left hand side is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, right? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. I have told you, generally in trigonometric identity, most of the problems we take the left hand side and try to get the right hand side. Sometimes you can also take the right hand side and get the left hand side. Sometimes they would have given you a condition using that you can prove left is equal to right. You will come to see the variety of problems. Now I have taken the left hand side. Okay, I have taken the left hand side. The tendency of any child is, sir, I will call this as A, call this as B. I have A minus B whole square. He sees an identity there, A minus B whole square. He sees an identity there, A minus B whole square. No, it's a normal tendency of any child, right? Okay, let him proceed. Let us see what happens. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Correct? A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Okay? The child has done it this way. Let him continue. That is cosecant square theta cot square theta minus, at most what he can do, cosecant can be written as 1 over sine, cot can be written as cos over sine. He writes this much, but he thought he can proceed like this, he can begin the problem like this, good. But he reaches a stage from where he cannot proceed. He cannot simplify. He cannot think of any identity or any manipulation or any cancellation. None of that is going to happen. Therefore, the child should not feel let down. He should not feel let down. He should say, come on, sir. I will take up the same problem, sir. I will give a different thought, sir. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Correct? Let the child give a different thought. He began, did not get it, doesn't matter. Don't lose your heart. Don't get disappointed. I said explore. Okay, let us see another way of doing it. Okay, this is my left hand side. Am I right, my dear children? Okay. Can I write cosecant as 1 over sine theta? Beauty. Cot theta as cos theta by sine theta? Beauty. Whole square. Correct. See how you are thinking it differently. This should happen in maths. That is why you are learning maths. Allow your mind to enjoy exploring. Okay. Now, my dear children, do you observe sine theta is the denominator? Therefore, that is the LCM. Sine theta ones are 1 ones are. Sine theta ones are 1 into cos theta is cos theta whole square. Okay. Now, please observe. Can I write this as 1 minus, can I write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta whole square? A by B whole square is A square divided by B square. Simple. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta whole square is sin square theta. Shall I continue one more step here? I think I will continue here, my dear children. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by, Remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta is one identity, and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. This sin square theta is written as 1 minus cos square theta. Beauty. Something square. A square is A into A. A plus B whole square is A plus B into A plus B. 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta twice. Whole over. Dear children, please, can you write 1 as 1 square? Why not? 1 as 1 square? Why not? And this is A square minus B square. Another identity. A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B. A plus B into A, correct? Into A minus B. What happens now? Observe. 1 minus cos theta cancels with 1 minus cos theta. What are you left with? 1 minus cos theta divided 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. That is your right hand side. Correct? I was not discouraged when I started this way and I was not able to proceed. I did not get the solution. I said, let me try out in a different way, and I succeeded it. Please do it.